Okay, good afternoon. We are going to talk about dividing with more exponents. And it says to raise a quotient to a power, raise the numerator and denominator to the power by multiplying exponents and simplify. Okay, so first of all, we want to make sure that everybody has an exponent. So the x needs an exponent, the y needs the exponent, and then just like with multiplying, we're going to share, or we're going to multiply. When we have a power to a power, we're going to multiply our exponents. So that gives us x to the third divided by y to the third. You are finished. Okay, number 2 is 3/5 raised to the second power. So we're going to have 3 to the first, 5 to the first. Then you are going to multiply because you got a power to a power. So that gives me 3 to the second divided by 5 to the second, which is 9/25. Okay. Look at number 3. Number 3, we're going to make sure everybody has an exponent. So we need to give everybody a 1 since we do not see an exponent. To remind ourselves, we need to multiply those because we have a power to a power. X to the 5th, y to the 5th. B, this is A divided by B. So we have to make sure that everybody has an exponent. Then we're going to multiply. So we have A to the 1/2 and B to the 1/2. Number 5, everybody has an exponent, so now we just go straight into multiplying. And that's going to give me A to the third, and 4 times 5 is B to the 20th. Now we are dealing with negative exponents, and we all know what to do with negative exponents. If they're negative on top, you put them in the basement, or if they're negative on the bottom, you put them up top. So first of all, we need to make sure everybody has an exponent, and then we're going to share that exponent by multiplying our exponents because we got a power to a power again. So it gives us x to the -2, y to the -2. And so now we're going to flip because x is not happy, so we're going to put that one on the bottom. It gives us x to the +2, and y is not happy in the bottom, so we're going to put y on top with a +2. Now everybody's happy and you're finished. Okay, number 7, make sure everybody has an exponent, even the 5. So we have powers to powers, so we're going to multiply our exponents. So we have a to the -3, 5 to the -3, b to the -3. Looks like nobody's happy again. So we're going to make everybody happy by doing 5 to the third, b to the third on top, a to the third on the bottom. And notice that we have a number to a number. So we're going to have 125 b to the third, a to the third. Number 8, we got to make sure every piece of the puzzle has an exponent. Now we can multiply. And you multiply exponents. So we have 3 to the -4, x to the -8, everything divided by 5 to the -4, and y to the -16. Nobody's happy where they're at, so we're going to fix them. We got 5 to the 4th, y to the 16th on top, 3 to the +4, and x to the +8. And we're going to make sure we know what 5 to the 4th is divided by 3 to the 4th. We know 3 to the 4th is 81. And I'm going to have to check to see what 5 to the 4th is. Okay, it is 625. And 625 625 over 81 cannot be reduced, so you are finished there. If If you can reduce them, you need to reduce fractions just like always. Okay, we have b to the 4/5 divided by b to the 7th. So everybody has an exponent, so now we're going to share it. And we multiply power to power. So it's going to give me b to the negative 4 over b to the negative 35th. Okay, we're going to make everybody happy. And then since we have the same base and we're dividing, we're going to subtract our exponents. So b to the 35th minus 4 gives me b to the 31st. Okay, number 10. Number 10, we have 2 to the 1st, x to the 6th divided by y to the negative 4. We're going to distribute that negative 3 because everybody has an exponent now. We're going to be multiplying 2 to the negative 3, x to the negative 18, everything divided by y to the 12th. Now that gives us a positive 12, so 12 is happy. The y is happy. So then we're going to make everybody else happy. It looks like to me we won't have anything left on top. So then I have to fix my 2 to the 3rd, which I know is 8, times x to the 18th, y to the 12th. And there's your final answer. Hope you guys have a great day.